See this, guys, by just conducting some surveys, how much people are actually earning. You can see this. You can withdraw this money to your PayPal account, okay, with Amazon gift card and direct bank transfer. Do you want to know how these people are actually earn? What you need to do, you just need to sign up your account, participate on surveys, and just redeem your points into your bank account. Just follow along this video and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn a good amount of money by just sitting at home. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just conducting some surveys, by just entering some surveys, and you are good to go to pay money online. You can see this, guys. Actually already people are paid $80,000. You can see this. This website has already did $80,000 to its customers. What you need to do, you can see this, guys. You can redeem your points in PayPal account, Amazon gift cards, Skrill, okay, bank to your own bank, and Paytm as well. Okay, if you are using this. Okay, so it's an amazing website, guys. How to sign up and how to earn money, just follow along this video. Okay, so before we dive deep into are earning, so I just want to tell you guys, if you are having any query, just write down on the comment section. If you are facing any problem, do let me know that I'm just facing this problem while earning making money online. Okay, I'm there to help you and help you to make money online. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you just need to come up here and just click on this sign up now. Okay, and you are come up on this page. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, you just need to enter your details. Okay, enter your details here. So I just quickly do it. Okay, so right now what you need to do, guys, just click on this sign up button. Okay, and you are redirected to different page. You can see this, a confirmation email address has been sent to your mail address. Okay, so there is a code that is come up on your website link. You can see this, guys. This is the link. Okay, just so what you need to do, guys, you just need to enter here in this link, and you can see this. Just you need to confirm it. Okay, just press on this confirm button and click the OK, and you are redirected to this page. Okay, guys, so you can see this, guys. How much balance, so they have already gave us $0.25 in our account, okay, for doing the registration. And what are the ways that you can earn from this website? Okay, so you just come up here in this account offers and just click on this all the offers, or there are lots and lots of offers. And guys, the cryptocurrency that you will get on this website is Honey. Okay, Honey, because it's their digital currency on this platform, and you can redeem it on your bank account. I'll show you how you can do it. So you just need to first come up here and just conduct these surveys, guys. It's absolutely free of cost. You do not have to spend a penny from your pocket. Just see the surveys which are high paying. Okay, you can see this. This is a survey which gave me 70 honey points. Okay, so you just click on these surveys. Okay, you just need to complete those surveys, so that, guys, you are always getting those surveys and you are getting paid for that. Okay, you just need to come up here and you can set up the paid to click and the paid to click. You can see there are some paid to click. You just need to wait for this time to load, and by just clicking on websites you are getting paid. Okay, you can see this instant. Okay, there are visit, view, click, and target. So these are the honey points that you can redeem. Okay, just you need to click on this website and you just need to wait for some time. Okay, just you need to wait for some time. You can see, just wait for 10 to 15 seconds on this website and you are getting paid percentage of honey points. Okay, you just need to click on these. You can see this. These are the websites which are redirected you to a different website. You can see this, and you just need to wait for some time, and that's it, guys. Okay, and it's absolutely free of cost. Okay, there are other things. You can see this paid to sign up. Okay, so there are some websites which will offer you, which will give you. You can see this offer wall. okay, where you can create your account and you just need to sign up there and you are getting paid for that. Okay, you can see this, these are certain websites where you just need to do the sign up part. Okay, if I just click on this, and what you need to do guys is to just sign up now. Okay, you just need to sign in on their account and you are getting paid for that. Okay, you just need to click on this and you just need to do the sign up part again and again, okay, until this website is satisfied. You just need to click on this start now and you just need to do the sign up part. Okay, absolutely free of cost guys, not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and you can redeem lots and lots of rewards from this website. Okay, so this is one way of doing these things. You can see this by clicking on this CPC. Okay, you can even download other things. You can see this if I just click on this downloads, okay, by just downloading some files you can even do and complete. These are the main streams of income that you can generate. Okay, so these are the websites which will give you highest paying income, and what I need to right now is suggest you to how to redeem your points. Okay, so guys, in order to redeem your points to your bank account or your PayPal account, you just need to come up here in this settings option. Okay, you just need to click on this and you can see this, there is a status which is unverified. So you just come up here in this withdraw funds. Okay, and you just need to give your bank account details. Okay, if you are from India, you just need to do you just need to give this these are the documents that you need to give to this website. Okay, so for that you should, if you are from India guys, you need to give these details, otherwise you can directly redeem your point to your money to your bank account. Okay, you can see this direct bank transfer of $5. Okay, it will obviously show you the link that you can generate by just converting these points of your honey points to your bank account. Okay, you just need to click on this button which is ultimately available whenever you are just complete these $3 or $5 by just completing these surveys, and you are good to go. There are other some rewards that you can see guys. There are other contests as well which will help you to generate loads and loads of income. Okay, there are some referral programs and I'll show you. You can see this guys, Offerwall will give you hundreds and hundreds of opportunities. You can see this Skippy ads you can perform, pool fish. Okay, wanna add, you can just perform these kind of things on this Offerwall. Okay, just you need to wait for this time and you just need to you can see this these are the Skippy ads, okay, for which I'm getting 13 points, 13 honey points. Okay, so you just need to wait for this time. You just need to click on these things and just click on this continue button. Okay, it's absolutely free of course guys. You do not have to. You can see this, I just need to complete that surveys, complete easy quizzes and puzzles. So in your free time you can utilize your time and do it. Okay, you can see this per click I can earn this much amount. If I just click on this clicks, okay, you can see the tasks. Okay, just need to visit it and you are getting paid honey points. Okay, so just for clicking it is obviously good for you. There are not even a single thing guys. You can explore each and everything. Okay, these are just ads. Now in this video I'm not showing you each and everything, but I have shown you how to do it, just clicking on these websites and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so I hope you like this video guys. Okay, one more thing I just need to give you guys, one more thing that where to copy this referral link. Okay, so if your referral comes into your program, okay, through your program, the income is passive. Okay, so you just come up here in this Facebook account or your Pinterest account, you can see, and you just need to post it. Okay, you just need to post it. Not only in this, you just click on this earn money online India. Okay, you can select whatever country you are compatible with. Okay, you just need to click on this one of this site and you just need to post it here. Okay, what you need to post, earn money online. Okay, what you need to post, earn money online, and just post your link to this and just click on this post button. Okay, you can see this. It will take some time to do the posting, and you can see this and it will automatically do the posting. You can see this, guys. Okay, so it will help you to do your it will help you to generate your income. You can see this, more than 90,000 people are there which help you to generate the income into your account. Okay, guys, so this is one way of promoting your link. Another way is your reddit.com. Okay, reddit.com will help you to generate more income from you can promote more income, because the link reachability in reddit.com is high. Okay, you just need to type here earn money. Okay, you just need to type here earn money. Okay, I just need to type here earn money. Okay, earn money, and just click on this enter button, and you can see this, guys. What is the reach? You can see this, how much people are there who are asking lots and lots of questions. You can see 29.8 million people from one group, okay, who are asking for this earn money. You just need to sign up here, join this group, and just post it in the similar fashion that we did in Facebook. Okay, so it's absolutely free of cost, guys. Not even a single penny from your pocket is going to spend, and your income would be recurring from this. You can generate a passive income by just promoting these links, by not actually completing these surveys. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Just like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button, guys, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content. And write down your comments down on this video, so that I will help you to earn money online. Till then, happy earning.